Hello, beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be discussing how to dress for a job interview. Okay? Since the last time na shinare ko sa inyo naman yung 9 tips for job interview, and now we're gonna be doing how to dress for job interviews. So yan ang topic natin ngayon, okay? It also depends how you dress up for job interview. What company are you going to? If it's more like corporate office, you're gonna be doing corporate roles. It's more like professional, okay? Or maybe if you're going to apply for a job, less formal. So that would be the business casual attire, okay? Business casual. So, yun ang pagkakaiba. So, ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo, they're already on the list, what you should be wearing for a job interview. Okay, and let's get into it. Okay, here it is. How to dress for a job interview. Okay. So this is for men's interview attire, guidelines for men who are interviewing in corporate roles. Okay, men should be wearing suit in solid colors such as navy, black, or dark gray. Long sleeve shirt that is white or color coordinated with the suit. A leather belt. Okay, kahit na hindi leather belt, it's okay. Not necessarily leather, you know. You could wear another kind beside leather. Tie, dark socks, and conservative leather shoes. Little or no jewelry. Don't wear too much jewelry when you're going for the job interview. If you want to wear jewelry, just use less jewelry or little or no jewelry at all, okay? Because if you're wearing too much jewelry when you are going for the job interview, it does not look good, okay? You should be neat, professional on your hairstyle. Limited amount of aftershave. You know, the aftershave cologne, I know men, they shave, you know. And please don't put too much shave on you, okay? Or don't use perfume, okay? If you're gonna be using the aftershave, just use it just limited amount because some of the interviewer, you know, the who's going to interview you, they're allergic to it. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, and please make sure that you trim your nails. Okay, and you could bring portfolio or briefcase because it does look good when you have that with you. Okay, and also we have women interview attire, the same thing, like if the women applying in a corporate roles job, you know, women attire. She should be wearing a suit in navy black or dark gray, suit skirt just below or above the knee. Okay, just remember when you're wearing skirt, please make it like below the knee or above the knee, nothing higher than that. Okay, dress conservative when you're going for the job interview. Okay, don't dress fancy. Okay, you're not going to the party. Okay, more like formal, conservative, and please don't bring your fancy purse. Okay, those brand name purse that you have, leave that at home. um, just bring the regular purse that you have, okay? Not necessarily branded name purse, okay? Because when I go for a job interview, I don't bring my nice purse like the branded name I'm talking about, okay? I leave that at home. I carry the regular one, okay? Just the everyday purse that I have. That's what I brought with me when I went for the job interview, okay? So, where are we? Suit skirt just below or above the knee, okay? Coordinated blouse, conservative shoes. Also, you limited your jewelry for women. No very large dangling earrings or arms full of bracelet. Okay, that's considered a jewelry too, right? I mean, you have this full of bracelet. Don't wear uh, a lot of bracelet. Okay, or the earrings, dangling earrings. Uh, Use the earring, the decent earrings, like more like professional earrings, not those big earrings dangling, no. Okay. Hairstyle, professional hairstyle. Okay. Make sure your hair look nice when you go for the job interview. And also wear a neutral colored pantyhose, okay, because it's nice when you wear pantyhose, okay, and you have your shoes there. Yeah, it feels soft. It's nice. And also, how to dress for more casual interview. Okay, this is the one that I was talking about when you're going for more like less formal job interview. So you do dress casual or business casual. Okay, for men you should be wearing khaki, gabardine, wool, or cotton pants, neatly pressed, and cotton long sleeve button down shirt press, sweaters, leather shoes in black and brown, or leather belt in black and brown, a selection of ties. Okay, that's for you to decide what ties you should be wearing that day. So you could just basically match to the cotton long sleeve that you were wearing. Okay, so I guess that would be it. Okay, and for women, you could wear also a khaki, corduroy, cotton, or conservative length skirts. Okay, sweater, cardigans, polo, knit shirts, and a professional dress. Okay, you could wear this dress. They call it sheath, SHEAT. That's a fitted dress. Okay, what down and fitted dress, but is a long dress. Is below your knees, below your knees. Okay, but what you could do on that, you could put a blazer on top of it or a sweater. Okay, it's really looking professional as well. And I guess that would be it. And I hope you guys learned something from it. Okay. And just I'm gonna have to upload more tutorial videos so you guys can learn something from my videos that I'm uploading. Okay. Please like and comments and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way every time I upload a new video you will be notified. Okay, and thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something from it. And I see you guys next time. Okay? Bye for now. Take care and be safe. Bye.